win the Miss Universe crown because I really want to show people that I'm not only beautiful physically, but I'm most beautiful in my soul.
I am a doctor. I am really just looking forward to finally pursuing this 6-year-old dream of mine.
The one and the only Danny Boong.